Getting squashed by an inkwell.
Right, it's time that you can get up to it
You only killed half.
You know he's so weak that these punches don't matter.
Idiot. Why would you say it?
Give me a jelly bean.
Punch me in the head.
Don't worry, I got this. It's cool.
Give up!
I give up.
Give up as
What's
well.
that? Who's the best?
No one.
Who wins this fight?
Jesus.
Who's going?
Jesus wins every fight. He's in all of us. He's in our souls. King of the inkwells. I say you win, you win.
Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
I win.